Do you feel like you don't speak enough Cantonese? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cantonese Top Words. Today we're going to talk about 10 lines you need for introducing yourself. My name is, I'm how old, whatever. Let's start. 我個名係 My name is 我個名係 Olivia. My name is Olivia. 我個名係 Superman. My name is Superman. Or you can say 我係 that means I am. So 我係 Olivia. I am Olivia. Or I'm called 我叫 Olivia. I'm called Olivia. Please practice and introduce yourself in the comment section. 我嚟自 I come from 我嚟自香港 I come from Hong Kong 我嚟自加拿大 I come from Canada 我嚟自火星 I come from Mars 我住喺 I live in 我住喺 it's literally I live in 我住喺銅鑼灣 I live in Causeway Bay that's a district in Hong Kong 我住喺柏林 I live in Berlin 我住喺巴西 I live in Brazil or you can just put a place 我住喺山窿 I live in a cave I'm a caveman 我學咗廣東話1年 I have been learning Cantonese for 1 year 我學咗廣東話1年 I have been learning Cantonese 1 year or some people who are really fluent and you ask how long have you been studying Cantonese maybe they'll say 我學咗廣東話10年 10 years 10年我喺 CantoneseClass101.com 學廣東話 I learned Cantonese at CantoneseClass101.com Where else? Or you're watching our YouTube videos then you can tell people 我喺 YouTube 學廣東話I learned Cantonese at YouTube. 我26歲 I'm 26 years old. I'm 12 years old. 我12歲 Some kid might come up to tell you. 我3歲 I'm 3 years old. Yeah, usually people do this. 我係一個教師 I'm a teacher. Now you tell people your occupation or what you do for living. 我係一個教師 I'm a teacher. 教師 is teacher. 我係一個消防員 I'm a firefighter 我係一個醫生 I'm a doctor What are you? What do you do? Tell us 我其中一個嗜好係跳舞 One of my hobbies is to dance 我其中一個嗜好係跳舞 I don't know 我鍾意聽音樂 I enjoy listening to music 音樂 is music What's your favorite type of music?You start with 我鍾意 is like I like. I can say 我鍾意去旅行 I enjoy traveling. 去旅行 is traveling. And you can say 我鍾意學廣東話 I enjoy learning Cantonese. With me, Olivia. 好高興認識你 Nice to meet you. 好高興認識你 is a bit formal. 好高興 means very happy. 認識你 is to meet you, to make you an acquaintance.If it's a more casual situation, you can say 好開心識到你好開心 very happy 識到你 to know you so I'm very happy to have known you 好開心識到你 So that's it for today. Those are the 10 lines you need for introducing yourself. Please check out the word list from CantoneseClass101.com and introduce yourself with Cantonese and write it in the comments.Subscribe so you can see more of our videos. I'll see you next time. I'm Olivia. 我係 Olivia. 下次見. See you next time. Bye.
Welcome to CantoneseClass101.com's 3分鐘廣東話 The fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Cantonese. 你好，我係 Olivia，好高興同大家見面。 Hi, I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you. In this series, we're going to learn basic Cantonese expressions. It's super easy and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Cantonese. There are a few different ways to say it, depending on how many people you're talking to. Let's first see how Cantonese speakers introduce themselves to a single person. 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你。Hi, I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you. 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你。Start by saying 你好，我係 then say your name. 你好，我係 Olivia. Finally, say 好高興認識你。你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你。Good job! Now let's see the same sentence when talking to more than one person. 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你哋。Hi, I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you all. 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你哋。So, what has changed from the previous introduction? Let's take a closer look at these together. 你好，我係 Olivia has not been changed. 你好，我係 stands in both cases for Hi, I am. Finally, pay attention to the ending. We went from 你 to 你哋. What has changed is the word for you. In Cantonese, the word for you is different if it is singular or plural. 你 is singular, and 你哋 is plural. One more time. To introduce yourself to one person in Cantonese is 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你。To introduce yourself to more than one person is 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你哋。Now it's time for Olivia's insights. When you introduce yourself, it's a good habit to shake hands. Always introduce yourself to the higher-ranking persons before those of lower rank. In most cases, the person of the highest ranking will be the most elder person. If you use the correct sentence with Cantonese speakers, they're definitely going to be impressed. Do you know how we say thank you in Cantonese? You'll learn how to say this and many other words in the next lesson. 下次見, see you then!
Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, how's your mother? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about well-being and ask how someone is doing. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Conversation About Family Well-Being PDF cheat sheet for free. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
你媽媽點啊？佢好好。
Once more with the English translation.
你媽媽點啊？
How's your mother?
佢好好。
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's
你媽媽點啊？
Listen to it again.
你媽媽點啊？ 你媽媽點啊？
This Cantonese sentence literally means, your mother how? But it translates as, how's your mother in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
佢好。
state of well-being. But it translates as, she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
佢好好。佢好好。
He Here are a few expressions related to well-being that you can use with this pattern. Great,
非常好，非常好，
fine,
好，好
so-so,
，OK 啦，OK 啦，
sick,
唔舒服，唔舒服，
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
你媽媽點啊？佢非常好。你媽媽點啊？佢 OK 啦。你媽媽點啊？佢唔舒服。
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, "How's your mother?"
你媽媽點啊？
Imagine she's great. Do you remember how to say great?
非常好，非常好，
Say, she's great.
佢非常好。
Now, answer the question saying she's great.
你媽媽點啊？佢非常好。
Now imagine she's so-so. Do you remember how to say so-so?
OK 啦，OK 啦，
Say, she's so-so.
佢 OK 啦。
Now, answer the question saying she's so-so.
你媽媽點啊？佢 OK 啦。
Now imagine she's sick. Do you remember how to say sick?
唔舒服，唔舒服，
Say, she's sick.
佢唔舒服。
Now answer the question saying she's sick.
你媽媽點啊？佢唔舒服。
In this lesson, you learn new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about well-being. You're now able to talk about how someone is feeling like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell me how you are today. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye! Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.